everybody, this is CR number 15, helper video number 3. It says solve 3x minus 7 equals 11x minus x minus 2. Well, let's try to remember something. There's always a 1 in front of the parentheses if there's nothing written there. And the first thing I have to do to solve this equation is to distribute the negative 1, because I circle the number in front of the parentheses, to each term inside the parentheses. So a negative times a positive is a negative, and 1 times 8x is 8x. Now I'm going to multiply negative 1 times the next term inside the parentheses, which is a negative 2. A negative times a negative is a positive, and 1 times 2 is 2. I'm going to go ahead and bring down my 11x on this side, and I'm going to bring down my equal sign and the 3x minus 7 on the opposite side. Okay, now that we've done that, I have to look to simplify either side of this equation. So if I look on my right side, I notice that I have some x's here. I've got 11x's here, and I've got a negative 8x here. Well, because they're on the same side of the equal sign, I can go ahead and combine them together. So 11x's minus 8x's is 3x's. Oh, sorry, that's so sloppy. There we go. And I'm just going to bring down the plus 2 because that can't be simplified any further. And I'm going to bring down the other side of my equation, 3x minus 7. Remember, I want my variables on the left side and I want my constants on the right side. So I'm going to solve this like every other equation with variables on both sides. I start by drawing my wall, and I'm going to move these x's on the right side to the other side of the equation because I want them all on the left side. Well, it's a positive 3x. If I want to zero out a positive 3x, I'm going to do the opposite, which is subtracting 3x or a negative 3x. Anything I do to one side, I do to the other, and I have to line up my like terms. 3x minus 3x, well, that's 0. Woohoo, I zeroed that out. That's what I wanted to do, and I'm left with 2 on this side. On this side, notice though, I also have a 3x minus 3x. Well, guess what? That zeroes out. So now I'm left with negative 7 on this side. Now when I look at this equation, it says negative 7 equals 2. Well, I'm hoping you're looking at that saying there is no possible way negative 7 equals 2. They are not equal to each other. And because they are not equal to each other, there is no solution. And remember, the symbol for no solution is what is shown above, and that is a circle with a line through it. Oop, if I could draw the line, that would be great. There we go. So that's why D is the correct answer. Good luck.